In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a meeting from an email in Gmail. This is a handy trick to streamline your scheduling process, saving you the hassle of manually entering all the details into a calendar. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox or the folder where the specific email you want to build a meeting around is located. Finding the right email is key here, so take a moment to ensure you have the correct one, perhaps by scanning through the subject lines or sender details until you spot it. Once you have the email open, you'll notice 3 dots, or an ellipsis, situated in the upper right corner of the email interface. These 3 dots hold a world of options that many users overlook. Go ahead and click on them. This will unveil a drop-down menu containing several features, one of which is incredibly useful for us today. In this list, look for and select the Create an Event option. Now, what's truly convenient about this feature is that it automatically populates some of the key fields for you in the calendar event. As you'll see, this includes the title of the event, which directly corresponds to the subject line of your email. However, it's important to remember that flexibility is on your side. Perhaps you need to tweak the title to make it more relevant or descriptive for the meeting. For example, you might choose to write something like "Review this" for clarity, so feel free to modify the title to better reflect the purpose of your meeting. Another helpful bit of automation is the inclusion of the email contents in the description box of your event. This means you'll have the entire context of the email at your fingertips during the meeting, which is a great touch for ensuring everyone is on the same page. Remember to carefully review the guest list as well. This is your opportunity to add or remove attendees based on who should be part of this meeting. If the correspondence included in the email involves multiple people, you might see some names already added to the guest list. Double-check to confirm that everyone necessary is invited and feel free to make changes accordingly. Once you're confident everything looks good, just go ahead and click Save. With this final click, you've successfully created a scheduled event right from Gmail, complete with all the details and relevant participants. And there you have it, a seamless way to transform an email into a scheduled event without the juggling act of copying and pasting between platforms. It's efficient, straightforward, and ensures all the crucial information is instantly accessible to everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this method as useful as I do in your everyday tasks.